everybody, my name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. I am coming to you tonight with Crisco. Okay, you guys know that I am trying to upkeep my hair and show you guys a lot of hair tutorials, but please excuse the way I'm sounding tonight. I have not been feeling well. I think I'm coming down with a sinus cold, and after I finish this video I am going to take some medicine called Father John, so hopefully that will help me to feel a little better. I have just been under the weather. That's why I haven't come back to you guys with another hair tutorial, because of my sickness. So please pray for me, please. I'm going to come to you with a mixture that I am going to mix up, which I did once before, and it's been many years ago. If you can go back and search my video that I did a long time ago, so many years ago, it is called the Crisco Body and Hair Cream. So what I am going to do, I'm going to mix up some Crisco mixture cream that I did, a while back, but I won't be using many oils as I did, in my last video that I made on the Crisco. So this is going to be for my hair. I will not put it on my skin this time. Not that there's anything wrong with it, but I'm going to mainly use it for my hair. So I'm going to show you guys what I am going to use in my Crisco hair mixture. So I'm going to use Crisco. You can get you a big container of it or a small one. So I had this for a while, so it's a small can. Then I am going to add olive oil, some grapeseed oil, coconut oil, vitamin E oil, castor oil, tea tree oil, Eucalyptus, if that's how you pronounce the name. I never could pronounce it right. So Eucalyptus oil, Rosemary oil, Peppermint oil, and I am going to use a little of this oil over into the mixture because it has many of oils in here. The only thing that I am liking is the jojoba oil, the glycerin oil, carrot oil. Let me see, I think it was a few more items that I used. I can't think of the name right now, but it's on my mind, but I cannot think of the name. But if, like I said, if you go back and check out my previous video, you will see all the oils and all the ingredients that I use to make up this Crisco, hair cream. So I'm going to use less this time for my hair. Alright, let me show you guys how I mixed my cream. It's no particular measurements, so I'm just measuring it to my own liking, okay? I'm gonna use about maybe 3 tablespoons, okay, of Crisco. So pretty much make it more Crisco than oil. Oh, please forgive me. I forgot to add African shea butter. This is the white kind, the African shea butter. So please use more Crisco than any other ingredient. more Crisco, because this is what it's about. The Crisco hair cream. More Crisco than anything else. Eucalyptus. And next I am going to mix this with my hand mixer. So this is it, you guys. I am going to put it in a jar or a little bowl, and I'll be right back. You can use this on your skin also, but I will use it for my hair. Stay tuned. So I am going to put it in this container here. So here it is, you guys. This is my Crisco Hair Cream. And I will be coming back to you guys with a deep conditioning hair video and to moisturize my hair with this Crisco Hair Cream. Alright, you guys. I'm sorry that I wasn't too uppity in my video. I just feel pretty bad right now. So I just wanted to share this video with you guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and please stay tuned for the upcoming video coming your way. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Oh, and another thing, I am going to place this in the refrigerator. Please do not keep it in any warm area because it will melt. So keep it in a cool place. If you are not going to put it in the refrigerator, just keep it in a cool place. And this will last you for a very long time. So I rather keep it refrigerated, okay, so that it can form, so it won't be so, you know, liquefied. So it won't be liquefied when you get ready to put it in your hair. So it'll be kind of, you know, formed. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please stay tuned for another video coming your way. Bye bye. And please go to Facebook and like my page for the love of beauty. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And feel free to click on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my videos. Comment and thumbs up my videos. But if you thumbs down, just know that I thank you for the view. Thank you so much and be blessed. Bye-bye.